Hi, this is my second video tutorial on how to create 3 activities and 3 resources and add them to my practice area. For this purpose, I go to add an activity or resource and I will choose assignments. Actually, this will be the second assignment in my practice box because I have already added one. So I add assignment to my practice area. And after that, I will write for my learners assignment 2. This will be a short essay. And below I'm going to write a topic. What are your strongest memories of your childhood? What are your strongest memories of your childhood? Good. And then I will instruct them to write about 120 words. Write about 120 words. And I'm going to instruct them to use more descriptive adjectives from the session. Please try to use adjectives that describe people's feelings. And emotions. This is because the topic of the session was about human feelings and emotions. And I will highlight the topic. What are your, just a second, strongest? Yes, I will highlight the topic and color it in red, and I will underline it as well, and instructions would be given below. So yes, I would like to display this on the course page. I will disable the dates in this particular case because otherwise the assignment will not appear, because this is just to practice, but in real life all those dates should be activated. And then I will save and return to course. Let's see how the assignments will look like. I go to my practice area and here it is, assignment 2, short essay. What are your strongest memories of your childhood? So in my real sessions, when learners click on the title, a box will appear where they will be able to type their online text and save it afterwards. Now I will go to another activity and let me choose forum. So I click next to forum. I add it to my practice area. Forum name, it will be forum for learners to use. I will leave standard forum for general use. Yes, this option is perfect. And then I will describe the purpose of the forum. The purpose of the current forum is to motivate you, dear learners, to express your opinion about the unit you have just had with me. Maybe not about the unit, but about the session. You have just had with me, and to share what you liked most. So I think it is enough. Let me read it once more. The purpose of the current forum is to motivate you, dear learners, to express your opinion about the session you have just had with me and to share what you liked most. So I will display the description on the course page, and I will color it, the description, in, let's say, green. And then let me see what you activate here. Restrict rating to items. No, I will not touch this. But I will allow access. I will enable access. Actually, maybe it's not a good idea to enable the access because I currently don't have learners here in this educational Moodle. So I think that the only thing that I will have to do is to save and return to course. Let me see whether it will work like this. So I go to my practice area, and yeah, forum for learners to use. So it will be active once I activate the dates when I create forum, but this is just to use my option to practice and create forum for learners. So if I click here, I don't think that it will be active. By the way, here it is set at a new discussion topic. So even though I didn't activate the dates, yeah, it works. So excellent. That means that I can write a message to my imaginary learners. Subject. Because the session was about feelings, I will share with them, let's say, a particular idea such as I think that the adjective angry has a stronger synonym. Can you write what it is? Yes, and I will underline angry and highlight it as well. And then I think that I can post to forum my comments. Here it is said your post was successfully added. Now I've got one comment on feelings. And then I will add 3 resources. So I go to my sandbox and I click on add an activity or resource. And now I go to resources, file. This is what I would like to add to the wall in Moodle. So I add file. Actually, this will be my PowerPoint presentation to support the lesson. So here I will write PowerPoint presentation, and the date will be, let's say, the 14th of February. And then here I will write that the aim of the presentation is to introduce the topic of human feelings and emotions the subsidiary aim is to get learners to know about how to write letters of advice and short essays. Good. So I will highlight letters of advice and short essays. And then I can choose a file from my computer. So the file, the PowerPoint presentation is entitled the 14th of February PowerPoint presentation. Yeah, so here it is. And now I upload the file. The other option is, of course, to drop it immediately from the desktop. So I chose more difficult version to add, but here there is another option to drag it from the desktop and put it in the box immediately. And then I save and return to courses, and my PowerPoint presentation will appear on the wall in the second. Just a second. Obviously my internet is a little bit slow. It takes time. And now I go to my practice section. Here it is, the PowerPoint presentation. And then back to activities and resources. I see that the time is running too fast, so maybe in my next video tutorial I will talk about 2 more resources from the option. Okay, thank you for now.